What's going on, everybody? This is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be talking about my new sprinkler timer. This is my brand new sprinkler timer from Imolaza. This is the outdoor case. The actual unit is this right here. This is an awesome sprinkler timer. It is all Wi-Fi controlled. You can control it, however, just by using this simple dial pad here. But the coolest part of this is you can control it via phone or tablet. Now, I've already gone ahead and done an installation video of this, removing my old timer and replacing it with the new Imolaza one. I also show you how to set it up on the app and get that going as well. So be sure to check out that video up in the corner here. Kind of difficult to see the lights, but you can see if I cover that up, that whole ring is blue. That just tells me everything's working well. And so if I want to cycle through the zones here, let's go zone 5 and click play. You can see my sprinklers over here are going to pop up. You can see my sprinklers are running in my zone 5. That is my front yard zone here. So to turn that off, you just come in, click that stop button, and that will stop those. So that is one simple way to control that manually. Let's head to the backyard and we will show you how to run that on the app. So this Wi-Fi control timer is super simple to use. It's very user friendly. Their app has really good features on it. We'll go over that in just a minute. So here we are in the backyard. Don't mind the color issues I've got going on. It's kind of hard to see on the phone, but there is some areas that are struggling a little bit just because see, it's got some yellowing and browning here, but I'm just bringing my height of cut down so that I can overseed here in a couple weeks. Here we are within the app. Up top here it does show a 10-day forecast, which I think is pretty awesome. Right here in the middle, this is a quick run option. You click on that and it will show you the last quick run you did, and then you can click on new quick run and then select your zone that you want to run. And let's go back. Down here it shows you your water usage. You can do that for the month or for the specific day. These are my existing schedules. I've got sprinklers. These are my sprinkler schedule here, and I've got my drip irrigation schedule here. Alright, and then back in your schedules, you click on one of your schedules, and then down here, this is the smart feature of the app, the weather intelligence. It will have you go through this also once you're setting up your schedules. I currently have my rain skip set up, so I have it set to 0.5 inches. You can change how much rainwater to skip the cycle, but if it rains 0.5 inches within 24 hours of my sprinklers going off, or if there's that much rain forecasted, the sprinklers will not run. You can also set up a freeze skip. You can set the temperature for that, and then a wind skip, how many miles per hour as well for that. So pretty cool feature. I have my rain skip set up. Everything else I'm going to leave off for now. And if you go to zones, this is a really cool feature. When you're setting up these zones, you have the option to take photos of your zones. This makes it a little bit easier when you're looking at what you've got to work with. Pretty cool setup here. So this is my old sprinkler timer. This is the Hunter X Core. Obviously I don't have it hooked up any longer, but I'm going to go ahead and show you basically what I had to do to turn on my sprinklers just for a quick run here. I'd have to walk all the way across the yard, right? Twist the dial to manual station 1, run that up to run, and it would work about 50% of the time. So then I'd have to come back, do it again, and then it would finally work. Setting up a schedule on this thing, honestly, was kind of a pain in the butt, especially compared to the Imolaza system. Especially when setting something up, which this wasn't bad when I had to change the timer, but actually setting up the schedule was kind of confusing. Setting up the Imolaza app, a breeze. It walks you right through what you have to do. Super easy, super simple. I highly recommend it. Plus, with using the Imolaza app, I don't have to run across my yard. I don't have to run through water. I don't have to get soaking wet. It's freaking awesome. I am going to go ahead and run a zone here on my back patio. I'm going to click on new run, and let's go to zone 2, my back patio. And I'm going to set that for a 2-minute run here. Click run. You can see the zone is waiting to be ran. Click on the play button, and that will start running that zone for the duration that you have selected. If you want to go ahead and stop that, go ahead and just hit the pause button or the stop button, and you are all set. I'll show you how this works. I'm currently standing at the back patio right in front of one of these sprinklers, so let's show you. So the Imolaza Smart Controller is freaking awesome. Thank you to Imolaza for sending me that timer to do a review on. I've already been using it for a couple of weeks, haven't had any issues with it. I've got up in the morning to make sure my sprinklers were watering when I had them scheduled on the days that they were scheduled for, and it has had no issues with that. The installation on that is super easy. You click on a link in the description to check that video out. There's also a link in the description to Amazon so you can purchase one yourself. Now, if you have any questions on this timer, please drop it in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of lawn and garden videos coming, some home renovation videos coming as well. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good day.